Hello guys, today we want to transform this design into this in Adobe Photoshop. So without much ado, let's jump into Photoshop. So make a selection of the paper and Ctrl J to duplicate. And go to wherever your design is and drag onto the white paper. Yes, your design can be on the desktop or wherever. Just go and drag it and drop it and scale nicely or adjust or transform nicely. Yes, so now let's go to edit, then select perspective swap and create a layout of that design nicely like this. Just click and create. Click link. Yeah, so it's left with this one. So when you are done creating your layout of the design, hit enter. Yes, let me adjust here small. So hit enter, create a warp, go and click on the warp and warp it nicely like this according to the paper or how the paper fold design is. So as you can see what I'm doing, we do something nicely like that. So when you are done, you hit enter. Let me adjust this place a bit. Yes, something like this. Hit enter, then you are good to go. With that layer selected, change the blend mode to multiply and then right click on the layer to create a clipping mask. Yes, so we have something like this. So this is it. We are good to go. This is how you apply your design to any subject in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Bye.